we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Check your fuses. Only a few cars have a fuse associated with the starting system. However, before you go monkeying around with everything else, check your fuses to be sure it's not that simple. Bad ignition switch. If your battery checks out, but the starter is still silent, it might be a faulty ignition switch.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.